So it's interesting. I mean, it was a great segue talking about gardens because one of the very interesting things that's going on the equipment side is indoor gardening. Um, and several factories have a appliance that will facilitate either starting seeds and or hydroponic growing and or microgreen production, and one of which we represent has a the only NSF approved for commercial kitchen use. And then we've seen so many variations of this theme, and particularly here in New York, we have I think it started in Chicago with the rooftop gardens, but now we've progressed into basement gardens and whole facilities that are being developed for the indoor gardening. So I think you see a lot of that at NAFM in particular. It's a hot area. In line with some of the disruption that's coming on in the operator community with virtual restaurants, ghost kitchens, commissaries, that's driving a lot of what we're doing currently in terms of kitchen design and fulfillment, with larger projects going in because of the scale of production. We're seeing much broader application of steam equipment and combi ovens and the like that will fulfill those greater needs of kitchens that will supply various different concepts simultaneously. So the virtual kitchen or virtual restaurant is one that doesn't have seating and will have a dozen different concepts being produced out of that facility, and maybe through Grubhub or Uber Eats or the other. So that translates to larger equipment, larger footprints, and the like, and of course flexibility and modularity that we've been talking about for years anyway. So the equipment has to be able to produce various different ethnic cuisines, various different day parts, and it's a big driver right now. You just hit it. It's robots, right? And some of the rushes from CES, the Consumer Electronics Show, a lot of smart appliances, and that has to do with artificial AI, artificial intelligence, and robotics, and how that all ties together. We saw the salad robot at NRA. There's mixologists, certain areas where we're seeing those robot arms, fry basket handling, burger flipping, a couple of repetitive tasks. I think we're a little bit ahead of the curve here, but it'll be interesting to see what our engineers have come up with at the NAFM show next month, vis-a-vis the robotics. But that has to be a major driver from production to fulfillment.